Example, given the formula V equals pi r square h as the volume of a cylinder with r as the radius and h as the height of the cylinder, and pi is a constant. Find the radius of a cylinder with V equals 198 meter cube and h equals 7 meter. Well, we're taking our pi as 22/7. Solution. The first thing, let's write out the formula given. We're given V equals pi r square h. And the data we're given V equals 198 meter cube given, and h equals 7 meter. We substitute into the formula. So we have at the side 198 meter cube equals pi, which is representing 22/7 r square h, and that means times r square times h, which we have here as 7 meters. Now looking at it, we can have 7 goes in 7 1, 7 goes in 7 1. So we are left with, at this side we are left with 22 r square meters. And here at this side we are having 198 meter cube. So because we are trying to find r, and r square is attached to 22, so what we have to do here is divide both sides by the 22 meters. So here, divide both sides by 22 meters. And here we have 198 meter cube divided by 22 equals 22 meters equals 22 r square divided by 22 meters. So we have this meter cancel out this meter. 22 here 1, 22 here 1. So at this side we have our r squared, and meter cube divided by meter, that means we have meter square left. And here we divide out. What factor is common to 198 and 22? We have 2. So 2 goes in 22, 11. 2 goes in 1, 2 goes in 19, that's 9 remainder 1. 2 goes in 18, that's also 9. So we have 99 divided by 11. 11 can still go in 99. So 11 here 1, 11 in 99, 9. So at this side we are left with 9 meters squared. And because we are looking for r and we have r squared at this side, only r, that's what we are looking for. To remove this square that we have with r, we take the square root of both sides. So here, take the square root of both sides. And at this side we have square root of 9 meters squared equals r squared, then the square root. We know that this square will cancel out the square root. And here the square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. Why? Because plus 3 times plus 3 will give us plus 9, which is the same thing as 9. Also, minus 3 times minus 3 would be equal to minus times minus is plus 3 times 3, 9, which is also the same thing as 9. So the square root of any number you have will be plus or minus the root of that number. So here we'll be having plus or minus 3, and square root of meter square will just give me meter equals r. But because this is a radius, the radius cannot be negative. So that means the value for our radius of this cylinder here, therefore r, which is the radius, will be the positive value, that is just 3 meters, which is the same as the positive r meter. So the radius of the cylinder is 3 meters. And that's how to solve and make substitution. Thank you.